Hello everybody, I'm Meherwan Irani, chef and restaurateur and grill master today. Welcome to Field of Flake. I'm here with my friends from Kingsford and Masterbuilt. We're going to take some beautiful seasonal ingredients from the grill to the dining table with recipes for the fall and the winter that you and your friends and family are going to just love. Today's dish is a classic. Grilled pork chops, bone-in pork chops, seasoned with Spanish paprika, chili flakes, fennel and rosemary, along with some beautiful grilled apples and potatoes. We're going to start with the pork chops, season it with salt and pepper, hit it with some Spanish paprika, a little bit of fresh chopped rosemary, some chili flakes, and then drizzle both sides with olive oil so it won't stick to the grill. Next, we're going to season our potatoes and apples. Potatoes get olive oil, salt, apple, garlic powder. Apples just get salt and sugar. We've got our Gravity Series 1050 loaded up with Kingsford Charcoal. Temperature is at 550. Let's get these guys on the grill. Whether you're a grill novice or a grill master, here's one thing we can agree on. Cooking with Kingsford, it's the king. I'm going to throw this pan on the grill, cast iron pan, butter, lots of butter, about 3 tablespoons of butter. And this is what we're going to finish our potatoes and apples in, along with a little savory herb. Everything's done, off the grill, and it's ready to plate. Dish is composed. Let's eat. I can't think of a more amazing dish for the fall. A grilled pork chop, classic. The potatoes picked up all those charcoal notes from the grill and are just like almost buttery on the inside and grilled on the outside. And then the apples finished in that butter with the savory herb. I mean, it's just screaming fall, winter, family, grill out, spices. It's an amazing dish. Make sure to pick up your ingredients, your Kingsford Charcoal, and your Gravity Series 1050. Thanks for watching.